Hello Sila team, this is Chandra Gupta again from Cashdrop. I'm recording this video based on the feedback we have received from um, Sila Money. So I'll go and open the app. So I'm going to talk about this tips 1 feedback. So I'm a evolved customer account here right now. So I'm going to open on privacy policy. So this is how the privacy policy are being opened. As per the feedback, link are supposed to open. So see this, how Sila privacy policies are getting open. Okay. Now I'll go to the app. Now let me go to terms of services. This is the terms of services. All the links are working here. Now I'll go to disclosure and consent. This is the disclosure and consent. All links are working. I'll open one of the link. Okay. I'll go to evolved customer account. Okay. This is the evolved customer account. Required information has been updated here. Yep, you see this Digitech websites and Travis Glasper technology all is modified. This is the 20-page PDF documentation, and it is PDF as you suggested in the past, and the links are working from PDF. Okay, now I'll go back to evolve communication consent. So this is the evolve communication consent. Okay, now I'll go back to the app. This is the one we have created for additional record disclosure for Cashdrop. So if you see here, when you go live, the effective date will change, but that's the and then interest, minimum balance, service and features, opening fees. You see the fees, and then Cashdrop help desk. So we are open 24/7. All 7 days we have already customer support help desk based out of India and US. So yeah. So I will go to that. So I think that covers access agreement and disclosure. Now I can go and create a new account. Okay. So I'll use 44444 and 03. Choose this. Okay. And then click on next. 516420. I'll go to the next. Same reason. 403. Before I go here, let me reference something. So once again, so yep, so that is covered. I am going to cover yep, so register it. Yes, sign up business. So I'm going to cover all the feedback I have received for register 3. Yeah, step 2 registered. So majority of the feedback was given is required information is not given, all those information. So before I do that, let me show you database system. Okay, so I'll go here and go in camera, edit, and let me do this. So I'll go over here in terminal, I'll maximize it. So this we are using MariaDB, and see this is called user table. Yeah, users. So we have a 50 records so far. This is stores all business users and as well as individual users. Now I say describe users. So this is the table definition of users. So basically ID, name, email, password, remember token, created, updated. Some of the fields are still empty because those are the futuristic. We are going step by steps, right? So first our objective is to make sure individual account and business account are created and they are able to do the payment like add cash, send money, and redeem. Anyway, so let me go back to this. So right now I have a 50 users so far. Now I'll go back to, and if this is the Central European time zone. So if you notice here, see this 1745. Yeah, 1745. Right now I'm in EST time zone, and here time is 3:13. So it's a 6-hour difference basically. So I'll go back to the app now. So I'll create a user called Moin. So yeah, before I do that, I have already prepared a query. See here, if I run Moin, so there is no record, right? Now I'm going to create from app Moin Ali. Okay, and email is Moin dot Ali @ Carolina arcade.com, and I'll choose date of birth. Okay, and then next state address, I'll choose 111-803 Church Field, Lane, City, Charlotte, State, I'll choose North Carolina, and passcode is 277. Next, I'll enter social security number, and I'll choose Moin Ali Handler. Okay, now see all everywhere it's required. Okay, also next. Alright, so if you see the changes, all the KYC status and activation status has been provided here. Also I have updated the documentation to provide some of the question you have asked. Now see this Moin, one second. Now I'll switch on the camera. Now if you see here, I ran the command Moin and the record is coming. Now if you see here, time is coming 7:29 19:15 as it is a European time zone. So yep, created it and updated date. This is Moin email ID, and this is the SSN number which we stored in encrypted. Two information is encrypted here. Two information is encrypted here. One is SSN and one is, I think, remember token. Yeah, so so basically all the information are saved here and the data is encrypted as it has been. Now I'll switch back to the app. So you talk about in the feedback, one second. Talk about the feedback here in, one second. KYC, step 4, missing KYC, unhappy path, and request KYC happy path. Those all has been mentioned in the written documentation verification. Basically, what we do is we have a notification process, and that notification process, SMS and email, those are disabled because we are still in the sandbox, but that will be working once we are ready to go in the production. Okay, so the way we have disabled the two factor, these are all has been disabled. All right, so I will just skip bank from here, and this is Moinali handler, and that's fine. Now I'll log out and I'll go and focus on the another things. I'll just go here in the legal. So those all links has been provided over here as well, but I will cover with the step 12, not here. So I will log out from here. Okay, now WhatsApp and WhatsApp. Okay, so let me talk about the business account now. Okay, so for the business account, privacy policy remain the same. Okay, then terms of service remain the same. See how links are opening. Now here, because it's a business, I choose business accounts, it's showing evolve business account agreement. So it's already open. Okay, no, one second. So I will clear these and I will close all tabs. Okay, now yeah, because we are opening the same PDF, I mean nobody is going to use two kind of app, so there is a challenge. So what I can do is I can go into the setting and I will go in app and Chrome and storage and cache, clear cache. Okay, I'll go here, I'll open Evolve business agreement again, download again. So business account agreement, see the business account agreement got open, all the information has been updated, phone number and everything has been updated, and yeah, link will be working too. Okay, so now Evolve communication, then additional required disclosure, this is generic for both. Okay, now let me go and register it now. Okay, so I'll go register here. Okay, I'll go next. So I will enter 325194. So as feedback has given, we put the required field over here, right? And if you look the written explanation I have provided, business account is like a very highly manually supervised. It's not like anybody is going and we are allowing business account to be created, right? So in 2023 we are expecting only 5. Travis company, they are going to have 5 accounts, and next year additional 15, and in 2025 there will be additional 30. So in now until 2025 we are expecting only 50 business accounts, and all are highly supervised before these are getting created. And this is the MVP, we are trying to go MVP. So that's where edit process has not been given, but we have given all possible validation, so that whenever business account is getting created, they are able to create. So I'm going to create, one second, I hope Carolina Arcade. Business website http Carolina Arcade.com support. And here we are providers. Okay, I'll go to the next step. Street address 11803 Church Field Lane, Solid. Okay, North Carolina 28277. Okay, next. Carolina Arcade. Okay, before I submit, I just wanted to show you that this record is not present, and once I submit next, the record is getting. So I'll open a camera, I'll show the video. So if you see this, okay, there is no record, right? Now I'm going to switch back to the app. Okay, so next. So it says business account with handle is successfully registered. Review process is pending. It may take 10 minutes to be ready for use. If you still have a problem, go to the support section and contact the Cashdrop team via email or phone number. So as I said, we have a customer support team. They will provide any KYC related issue happens. They should be able to support through the web portal. We have not given edit re-verification for the business users. The end users. It will be taken through the Cashdrop support web portal. They will contact through the phone number or email ID. Now I am going to the camera again, and I'll show you the record. See this? Just now Carolina Arcade is getting created. See the time? It's a sole proprietary, and 2023 7/29 1925 so Eastern time zone. So right now time is here is 3:26, and when the record was created was 1925. Alright, this is the email ID, this is the name. Perfect. And I think this is the handle pretty much. Alright, so I'll go back to the app now, right? So I already explained how the user will do the link bank account or skip bank account. Okay, so I will escape, and by the way, there is an additional information here provided. This yellow band comes, it will disappear as soon as KYC is done, otherwise it will stick there. So this way user will know. Alright, so I will log out now, and I will focus on add cash, means sila transfer, add cash, send cash, and redeem cash. Okay, so already I have created one business account and one individual account, so I'm going to log in with that. Okay, so virtual account 780-830. Next. Alright. So Ben Takir is a user which I created in the morning. If you, yeah, I can show you the database, but that's okay. I think that is not the ask from you guys. Alright. So this guy has already added $180. So now I'll go and click on the add cash. Let's say I'm adding an additional $20. Okay. Confirm add cash. So as per the feedback, we have added this dialog. Please confirm add cash $20 to your wallet. If you do the cancel, it will not happen. If you click again and proceed, then $20 will be added. Okay. Anyway, so as soon as you do the add cash, it takes some time. Now I'll go to the send money. So I'm going to set $20, and so I created one business account Norwich in the morning. I'll choose that, and I'll say here, give me a token. Okay. So it says now this is what all has been covered. You as a handler are sending $20 to Norwich handler. Okay, you can cancel here or you can send money. Okay, back to home. Now $20 is sent, so obviously it has a $160, and yeah, that's pretty much. Now I'll go here and log out. So this guy has $160 plus it has added how much? 160 and $20, so $180 there. Anyway, let me go to the Norwich, and I will log in Norwich. Next, 14481. Okay, so Norwich has $29.45 right now. Okay, and if this guy is doing cash out, let's say it is doing $25 cash out. Okay, and already I provided instant in this explanation in the documentation, so you can choose $25. Okay, and I'll choose instant, so it's showing fees, right? Because that's the fees is being charged. Cash out. Now as per the feedback, you are cashing out $25 to your account. This fees charge is 5 cents. Okay, cancel or you can proceed. So ideally it will have only $4.45 remaining in this account. Okay, $4. Fine. Now let me send money again to this guy, and let's see how much it has. Log out. Six 2167. Nope, John Crowley is the wrong user. Something happens. 01 2088 77. Yep. See this? So $160 plus $20 he did add cash, so we had a total $180. Now, if you remember, the business in Norwich has only $4, I think 75 cents. Okay, so this guy is going to do $30. Norwich. Okay, and for arcade. Okay, confirm, send. Okay, send money. $150. Log out and okay, 114598. See this guy got 33.63 cents. So $30. Obviously, this guy is receiving money, right? So we charge 2.75% when you receive money in your business account, and all has been described over here. If you go to the legal, additional, so this fee charges, receive money 2.75. Okay, so I'll go to that. Alright, so that's pretty much explain everything. I'm going to the step 12. So everything is provided over here: privacy policy, terms of services, disclosure and consent, your business account. Okay, so this your business account, your communication consent, okay. Now this link I will go and log out again. Let me log in as individuals. Zero one, and I'm logged in as individual. 991575. Okay. Now can go to the legal. See this? The link is changes. Evolve customer account agreement. So if you open here, download again. Read this. It's evolve account agreement. Okay. Customer account agreement. So with this, I think covered everything. And thank you very much for giving us opportunity. And looking forward for the feedback again. Bye.